Hi, and welcome to your RingCentral Meetings Training Participant Tip. If you are about to attend an online training session or a webinar, you will receive a training confirmation ahead of time. There are a few things to pay attention to in this confirmation. First, the meeting link. This will allow you to sign into the meeting. Second, the dial-in numbers. If you are using your phone for audio, you will need to use a local number provided here. Finally, the meeting ID. To join a meeting, click on the meeting link. Feel free to do so up to 15 minutes ahead of the scheduled training start time. After you click on the link, if RingCentral Meetings is not already installed, you will be prompted to download and install the application. If RingCentral is already installed on your computer, you can follow the prompts to open up RingCentral, and you will be placed in the meeting automatically. If you do not have permissions to download the application, you can log into the meeting via your web browser. However, the web browser version has less communication features. For instance, in the full application, you are able to use quick response buttons, text chat, and use computer audio. All of these options are not present using the web browser version of the application. This video will focus on the full application, but we do have a separate video for the smaller web browser version of RingCentral Meetings. The next step is to wait for the download to initiate. If the download does not initiate, click on the Download and Run RingCentral Meetings button. Find the download and double-click to run the installer. If you are using Google Chrome, the download will appear at the bottom left of your browser. Wait for the installer to complete. Once it does, you should automatically be placed in the meeting. If for whatever reason you are not placed in the meeting, go back to your training confirmation and click on the meeting link again and follow the prompt to open RingCentral Meetings. You will then see your initial audio settings and the trainer's screen behind, assuming the trainer has enabled the screen sharing. If not, he or she will shortly, not to worry. If you've joined the meeting before the trainer has started the meeting, your screen will look like this. If the trainer has started the meeting but hasn't shared their screen, your screen will look like this. Let's assume that the trainer has started the meeting and started sharing their screen. You have the choice between using your computer's microphone and speakers or using your phone for audio. If you do choose to use your phone, dial in using your local number. You will then be prompted for your meeting ID and the participant ID. The participant ID is important as this is what links your phone audio to your computer, allowing you to mute and unmute your phone directly from the RingCentral Meetings application. If you are using your computer's audio, and this is your first time, it might make sense to test your speaker and microphone first. It is important to note that one of the most common reasons for your speaker or microphone not to work is just having the wrong audio device set up. You will be able to select the correct one in the audio testing dialog. I'm going to click on Join with Computer Audio. If you move your mouse around, you will see all of your controls. I want to draw your attention to some of the more important ones. First, you have your mute and your unmute button and your video controls. Use these to toggle your microphone and your video camera. If you are still having audio or video issues, you can click on the up arrows to choose a different device. Next, I'd like to show you some communication options. To chat with the other participant or the host, you can click on Chat. Next, choose who you would like to send a message to. Click into Type Message here, type your message, and press Enter. You can move the chat box wherever you would like. If you prefer quick responses, you can pull up the participant list to find your quick response buttons. Once the participant list is up, choose whichever response you would like to send to the trainer. The trainer will then receive the response on their end. This participant list can also be moved around. Finally, I'd like to show you your screen options. By default, RingCentral Meetings will be opened up in full screen mode. Hit Escape on your keyboard or double-click the screen to exit full screen mode. To go back into full screen mode, you can click on the full screen mode button at the top right hand of your screen. After the training session has concluded, you can leave the meeting by clicking on the Leave Meeting button at the bottom right of your screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to discover many more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. And if you would like any further information, hang tight and our contact information will pop up on your screen.